Hi everyone, welcome to the Learning Desk, the best online resource for IELTS preparation. In this video, we will be talking about the top mistakes people commit in the writing task 2 of their IELTS exam. As we are aware that writing task 2 is an essay and it carries a weightage of 66% in the overall writing task. By the end of this video, you will know how to avoid these mistakes, and you will also receive a free gift which will help you score 8 bands in your writing task. So let's dive right into the first myth. The first myth or misconception is that you have to write a minimum of 300 words in your writing task 2 for IELTS. Let me tell you, time is the most important aspect of your writing task. If you waste your time, you will not get the desired band score. Writing more than 300 words is a waste of time and you will not score a band 7, 8 or 9 by writing those many words. The requirement of the task is that you write anywhere between 250 to 280 words, and that should be more than enough to even score a band 9. You should save your time to focus on the quality of what you are writing rather than the quantity of what you are writing. If at all, at the end of the task you are able to save some time, go back and check your grammar, your punctuations, and any spelling mistakes that you have done in the essay. Those extra commas and full stops will give you a better band score than the words that you will be writing over and above the 250 word limit. The second misconception is that we should always include our opinion. This will completely depend on the question type. If the question does not ask for your opinion, then you do not need to give an opinion. For example, let's look at this question. It is becoming increasingly popular to have an year off between finishing school and going to university. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? If you look at this question, it nowhere says that what do you think or share your opinion. It simply states that provide the advantages and disadvantages. So, in such a question, you do not need to give your opinion. If you want to include your opinion, that should only be done in the conclusion. If you do it in the body paragraph 1 or 2, you will lose marks for task response. This brings us to our third myth or misconception, which is that the introduction of your essay is the most important part. Although we say that first impression is the last impression, but introduction is not the most important part of your essay, because most of your ideas will be expressed in the upcoming 2 body paragraphs. In fact, you should not be spending more than 5 minutes on writing the introduction, and that too is the outside limit. 5 minutes maximum, not a minute more than that. Otherwise, you will be wasting your time. So basically, you spend 5 minutes on your introduction and then you are left with 10 minutes each for your body paragraphs. Writing a short introduction does not mean that it has to be sloppy. It does not mean that it should not convey the relevant information, but it only means it needs to be very crisp and grammatically correct. If you struggle to write effective introductions, we are there to help you for free. Just click on the link below and fix your free class with our IELTS experts. We will teach you the trick to write an effective introduction of 50 words, and that too within 5 minutes. So quickly recapping the 3 main mistakes or misconceptions that people make in their writing task 2 for IELTS are: number 1, you do not need to write 300 words. Any essay between 250 words to 280 words is more than enough. Number 2, you do not need to include your opinion in every essay. Just read what the question says and basis that decide whether they are asking for your opinion or your views or not. And number 3, introduction is not the most important part of your essay, and it should be restricted to not more than 5 minutes and 50 words. So all the best for your exam, and remember, for a free class, just click the link below. Thank you.